All right, so my guest now is the owner of Rebirth Couture. Her name is Renee Brown, and she's ready to wow you with her designs. There she is, Renee. Morning, welcome to Smile. How are you?
I'm doing fine. How are
I
you?
can't complain. Give thanks, and thank you so much
That
for
is
asking.
good.
So, Renee, I read that you made your first skirt from a bed sheet. What is that about?
Well, I didn't have any fabric to work with, so I had to use what I had. So it was the only fabric I had that would pass as a garment fabric. So yeah, I just used that.
What,
Um,
how many colors? What color it was? It actually did look like a bed sheet after you make it?
well, it kind of did.
I guess that means yes. So
Yes.
you wear your curtain to the people in party. When did this start with you though? Why designing and fashion and stuff? Where did that love come from?
Well, I usually watch a fashion competition on Lifetime television. It's called Project Runway. That inspired me to go into fashion designing.
Yeah, but how you know you did have that skill to put this together with that and to make things? And you know, how you know that? And how difficult was it or it wasn't difficult at all?
Well, how did I know? Well, by watching it, I assumed that it was easy. And, I tried it out. And I saw that, I actually managed to get it right based on the little that I knew. So, yeah.
How long ago was that, by the way?
Oh, yes, I was 12 years old. So that I can't tell you when
No
that was a
wonder,
good time.
no wonder you thief the people in bed sheet at 12 years old. You've gone much further than that, though. And how are you doing now, and where the ideas for the designs come from and stuff?
Well, I would say I am doing quite well since COVID. I was a bit worried, but thankfully, I have been still getting clients. My inspiration comes from my clients, of course. A lot of persons have big ideas and they don't know how to execute such ideas based on body type, fabric, so I try to work with my client's personality and what is available, and I try to bless them with something that would fit them, of course.
Yeah.
Culturally, I also design in that aspect. I can't leave out the Caribbean vibe.
Okay. At 15, you did a wedding gown. At 16, you had a fashion show. What was
Mm.
that like? What was the fashion show? The people them clap you or them boo you or what?
Them booming.
They did seriously?
Yes, they did. I mean, the design was good, but they were having a party, and the selector did not let them know that there was going to be a fashion show. So the music just cut.
Oh, so they didn't boo the designs. Them just boo you because you stopped the people in party.
Well, I took it as a boo because nobody was happy about it.
Aye, but in the end, it worked out for you. Did you get anyone coming up to you and say, "But I like your stuff, and I want you to do this and do that"? What we're watching now, you design all those.
Yes, I did.
You make them yourself, by the way.
Yes, I do.
Yourself, or you have people working for you.
Well, I did all of these that you're seeing by myself. Last year, I had to get an assistant because the workload is, getting more.
But the stuff look good. I like them.
Thank you.
I like them. You have a
Thank
physical
you.
space, or you sell online. What do you do?
Well, currently it's online. I am at home now. So this is my workspace at home. No physical space as yet.
Yeah. I was
Yes.
reading that they said you were known at school as the girl who made her school bag.
Yes.
Was the school bag from your sheet too?
No, no, no. I learned from that experience. No.
So what
I
was it?
actually, come
Yeah?
again?
Yeah, go ahead. Tell me what you made it out of.
Well, I actually bought fabric like the school mat linen. That's what was used to make the skirt uniform.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
right. So I used that to make the bag.
Hold on a man. So you use your bed to make a skirt and you make the school uniform to make a bag. Wow.
No, it was the fabric that was used to make the skirt. So not the skirt actually,
Yeah.
but yeah.
I just had an interview with three ladies who went to Old Harbor High. You went to Old Harbor High also, did you? Did you know? I don't know if you
Right.
saw the interview. Did you know those ladies?
Well, I know one. I
Oh,
actually know one.
okay. How
Yes.
much did Old Harbor help in where you are now, if they helped at all?
Well, since most persons knew what I did, I got a lot of encouragement by students and teachers. I got to present a few designs, and it definitely helped me, you know. So, um, trust me, I got a lot of support.
Yeah,
And if I didn't get those support, I don't think I would be pushing.
yeah.
I would have been pushing as much as I am now.
Okay. Is this what you do, or this is a little hobby on the side, or this is your full-time job?
This is a full-time job. Yes,
Fantastic.
this is my full-time.
So how would they know how to find you if someone wants you to make something from them curtain?
Well, well, on Instagram, it's Rebirth Couture.
Okay.
You're going to see a few rebirths come up, but it's the lady in the red. So, yes, Rebirth Couture.
I'm impressed. I'm impressed. And you seem to be a fun person. Continue to do what you're doing. I pray that it works for you. Look after yourself and God bless you. Thanks for being with us
Thank
this
you. I
morning.
appreciate it.
Yeah, man. She's the owner of Rebirth Couture, Renee Brown. All right. You know, so I have two sheets at my house when I use. You know, Sin probably can't help me out. We soon come back, yeah?